Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today it's time to film one of my favorite videos, and that is my BoxyCharm unboxing. This is a BoxyCharm Luxe month, which is awesome. Every 3 months you can subscribe to the Boxy Luxe. So your regular bill is $21 a month for the regular Boxy, and then every 3rd month you get charged an additional like 29 something. It evens out to $50, and then you get like a huge box like this that is bigger than my head, and I freaking love it. This box did get pretty damaged in the mail though, so thank you, mailman. It's real bad there, real bad here, so I'm really hoping nothing's broken or I'm probably gonna cry. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive into this. I'm so excited. I've been watching some people's unboxings and I am stoked. So I have like no room on my desk because it's covered in everything like that I just dropped. So what am I gonna do here? I know not, young Padawan. Okay. Will that stay? Yes, okay. So here is the card. It does come with like all of the stuff on the back. It says all access is the theme this month. So let's put the card right here. We're not gonna look at that quite yet. There's some bubble wrap on top. And the first thing I see is this guy. I have not actually seen anybody get this yet. This is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. Like, I've been seeing everybody get the Too Faced one, which makes me a little sad because now I feel like I'm not gonna get that one, which I was really excited for, but I'm also really excited for this one, so that's fine. This is by Tarte. Oh, that's so stinking pretty. That's gonna blind you guys. It feels so luxe though. That's so nice. The packaging is like snake skin slash like maybe alligator skin. Faux, obviously, but it's metallic and it says Park Avenue Princess raised right there. This is so pretty. And it's gold and bronze and hard to open. There we go. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it smells like Tarte. The one thing I don't like already is it doesn't open all the way. I don't know why, but that drives me nuts with palettes. Do you guys the same, or is that just me? But there are 6 shades in here. It smells like vanilla. It smells so good. Looks like this. There's like a highlighty shade. It says Halo. Let's go ahead and swatch them, I guess. Ooh, they feel a little powdery. So Halo is like a really light powder, gonna be a nice setting powder. Then we have, I can't read these, Enhance, which is like a yellowy powder. Then we have 4 contour shades. So we have Carrot, looks like it has a little shimmer to it, Princess Cut, Angle, and Crown. Crown definitely has some shimmer to it. So we've got boom, 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 and boom. There's the shades. I like that one. Which is, of course, Carrot, which is the lightest shade. Or is that Princess Cut? No, I don't know. But very excited to try this, you guys. This is super pretty. I don't really have like many Tarte products, and I really like Tarte, so I need to get some more, definitely. But that's the first product. How much are you? This retails for $45. So with this alone, the box is pretty much paid for. Next thing in here is this. I've not seen anybody get this either. My box is weird. This is the Sacha Beauty 32mm and 1/1/4 Cripless Curling Iron with Cool Tip. I don't curl my hair, like rarely ever. My hair is natural curly, like this looks like crap, but you know. But maybe I should curl my hair more often. Let's take a look at this. This retails for $65. This is more than the box itself, just this one product, which is awesome. So, what color are you? Just plain black, which is fine. This is what it looks like. That is a big wand. That would do some damage for your curls. But we'll give this a try. Like, I'm not stoked about it because I don't curl my hair very often. So like I said, I definitely should curl my hair more, so we'll try this. Also, you can use code BOXY25 for 25% off your Sacha Beauty purchase. So that's awesome. Stay. And it gets a nice little carrying case, which is also a fun little bonus. Okay, first product in here that I'm not stoked about is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovering Sleeping Mask. Looks like this. Dr. Brandt is a very luxe brand. You get it in BoxyCharm a lot, but unfortunately they are not cruelty free, so I will not be using this. I will pass it along to someone else. What do you do though? A hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. I wish this was cruelty free because that would be great. I do get very red skin and I am super dry all the time. So this would be a great product for me if it was cruelty free. It is not. This also retails for $52. My hair's crazy. So basically, this is probably gonna be the closest price to the box. So if you wanna think about it this way, you paid for this and got the rest of the stuff for free, which is awesome. Okay, more paper. What's this? Ooh, I wanted this one too. Things are falling. Lots of things are falling. I don't know what to do. Please stop falling. Okay. Anyway, I did want this too. This is the Violet Voss Essentials Eye Palette, the Pro Series. I really like Violet Voss shadows, and this palette looks so much fun. It's got some fun colors and it's also got some neutrals. Let's swatch a few. I'm gonna swatch Emerald, of course. Oh, I love the way these feel. Plumberry, of course, and then we'll do a matte, so we'll do Terracotta. Out of all those colors, these are the three most me colors I could have picked to swatch. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I will definitely be trying this out in a video at some point for sure because I am stoked about this. Violet Voss makes great shadows. Some of my favorite actually. This palette retails for $29 and you get 2, 4, 5, 10 shades in here. So pretty good. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mattes and 5 shimmers. So that's a great mix. Stay. Next thing in here, IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Okay, what do you do for me? Leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair down. That's all it says. I'm down for that though. My hair is super dry like the rest of me. Ooh, and it smells real good. I don't even know, what does that smell like? Coconut oil, that's what it smells like. This is great for me. It says you have dry, coarse, frizzy hair. Yes, yes, and yes. You want smooth, soft, hydrated hair. Yes. It says apply to damp or dry hair, air dry or blow dry out. That's awesome. All right, I'm down for this. And it is vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, UV protection, petroleum and mineral oil free, paraben and sulfate free. This is awesome. I don't know anything about this brand. How much are you? $29. Hope it's not that awesome, but I'm excited to try this for sure. I was just talking about needing a new leave-in conditioner. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Ah, I didn't know this was in here. Is Glow Recipe cruelty free? Now I'm slightly concerned. Vegan and cruelty free. Okay, we're good. This is by Glow Recipe. This is the Pineapple Sea Bright Serum. I did not know this was in here either. This retails for $49. So again, basically the price of the box. I'm so excited. It's so cute. It looks like a pineapple. You guys probably don't know this about me, but I am obsessed with pineapples. I think they are the cutest things in the world. I want to do my kitchen in pineapples. Dylan says no, but it'll happen eventually. Like, don't worry. But super excited. This is a little baby guy. I didn't realize it was this small. Do you smell like pineapple? Please smell like pineapple. It smells like pineapple. Oh my gosh. This smells like straight up pineapple juice. I'm just gonna put like a little tiny bit on my thumb here. That's so hydrating. What are you supposed to do for me? I don't even know. My face is gonna smell like pineapples, you guys. I don't even know what this is supposed to do and I've already like put it all over me. The Ultimate Brightening Serum for Brightening and Smoothing. Formulated with a stable blend of 22% pure pineapple juice, one of the most potent sources of natural vitamin C, natural AHA, and bromelain enzymes, I don't know how to say that word, infused with chamomile, aloe, and vitamin E to soothe even the most sensitive skin. So I'm assuming that's going to reduce my redness and it's going to smooth me out, which is great. I wish it was hydrating. I'm going to assume it probably is, even though it doesn't claim to be. But how freaking adorable is this? I'm so excited. I don't want to love this either because it is $49, but like I will probably keep that box forever because it's so cute. Stay. Not box, but little jar. Okay, we're getting close to the end here. 2 more products. This is by Hank & Henry. I don't have any Hank & Henry products, I don't think. Oh, I did. I had a liquid lip. I don't have it anymore. I decluttered it. I didn't like it, but this, I love their little logo. It's an owl. Super cute. This is Blickety Black Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. So it's an eyeliner. I assumed it was going to be brown based on the tube though. Let's see if I can open you. Don't use your teeth, it's bad for you. And it gets plastic in your mouth, which is never a fun time. But there we go. I hate those seal things. Seal? Seal. Seal? Seal. Is it seal or seal? I don't know. I'm just like sitting so awkwardly because of this box on my lap. Ooh, okay, it's a nice line. It's not my favorite tip, I will say that right now, just because it feels a little flimsy. But I can do cute things like that with it. But this feels nice, so I will definitely try it out. I don't wear a lot of liquid eyeliner, but it's always nice to have the option to do so. And the last product in here is something I knew I was getting, or at least hope I was getting, and that is a Stila liquid lip. Oh my, dang. Everybody that I've seen has gotten this in the shade Angelo, which I was super stoked about, but mine's not in that shade, which is sad because I really, really like that shade, because I keep like going to buy it and then not, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm getting it in my Boxy charm. I'm not. Oh, by the way, the Hank & Henry is $20. This is $22, I think. Yeah, these are $22. I have Rubino. Looks like this. It's a red, like a brick red shade. Oh, I love the way these smell. Oh yeah, that's like a blood red. That's pretty. I'll wear it. Probably would have worn Angelo more, but I'll wear this one too. Stila liquid lips are my favorite liquid lipstick formula. They are so good. I only own one, and that's Perla, but I love it. Okay, quick little recap here. We got the liquid lip, super excited about that. We got the Hank & Henry liner. I'm down for it. I'm not like super stoked, but I'll try it out for sure. We got the IGK hair balm. I am definitely excited about this. Opening it, I was like, eh, whatever. But reading it, I'm excited. I'm gonna definitely try this out. We got the Dr. Brandt, not excited about that, we don't care. Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette, super excited about that because this looks beautiful, and Violet Voss makes some of my favorite shadow formulas. The curling iron, I am not super stoked about, but I should be because it's a really cool product to get in a box, so I need to stop knocking it. The Glow Recipe, I'm so excited about, honestly. Like, this might be the thing I'm most excited about in this whole box, just because I've wanted this for like a while and it was expensive, so I didn't buy it, but now I have it. And the Tarte Park Avenue Princess, I am very excited about because I want to try more Tarte products, and this seems like a really good one to try. So that's everything I got in this box. Let me know down below what you guys got this month, and what shade you got in your liquid lip, because I'm shaking the whole camera because I am genuinely curious to see how many shade options there were, because I really thought everybody was getting Angelo because everyone that I saw unbox it got Angelo. So I'm not bitter though. Also, I know this video is annoyingly dark. I'm sorry. It's like 6:30. I don't know why it's getting so dark already. It is not winter time yet. I'm not enjoying this. I don't get off till like 5 o'clock, sometimes 6 o'clock. And so I always film when I get home, but now that it's getting dark already, it's gonna be a problem. But we'll figure it out. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.